Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to charge your Expedia Virtual Card. This is a useful feature if you're planning upcoming trips and want to ensure your virtual card has enough funds loaded for bookings. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Expedia homepage where you can manage your account and bookings. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can access various features related to your Expedia profile. Once you're in the Account section, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a navigation menu with different categories. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods and click on it. This section is where Expedia stores all your payment information, including credit cards, debit cards, and virtual cards linked to your account. After clicking Payment Methods, you'll see a list of all the payment options you've saved. Locate your existing Expedia Virtual Card from this list. If you don't see it listed, you'll need to add it first by entering the card details, including the card number and any other required information. Once you've found or added your virtual card, you're ready to move forward with charging it. Next to your virtual card, you'll see an option that says either Edit, Add Funds, Top Up, or Charge. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account settings, but the function is the same. Click on this option to begin adding funds to your virtual card. A new window or section will appear where you can enter the amount you want to charge to your virtual card. Type in the amount you wish to add. Below that, you'll need to select a funding source. This is typically a linked bank card or another payment method you've previously saved. Choose the one you want to use for this transaction. You may also be asked to fill in additional required fields such as the CVV code or expiration date of your funding source for security purposes. Once you've entered all the necessary information, look for a button at the bottom of the page that says Save or Confirm Payment. Click this button to finalize the transaction. At this point, your payment will be processed, so give it a moment to go through. After the payment is confirmed, head back to your Payment Methods section to verify the updated balance on your virtual card. The funds should appear instantly or within a few minutes depending on your bank's processing time. You'll now see the new balance reflected, and your virtual card is ready to use for your next Expedia booking. And that's it. You've successfully charged your Expedia virtual card and it's now loaded with the funds you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.